How to fix keyboard keys not working on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to right click on Start icon. Search for Device Manager and open it. You can simply maximize this page and locate keyboards. And then you have to click on the arrow next to it and expand this section. Right click on your keyboard and then select Update Drivers. Alternatively, you can use the third-party tools like Advanced Driver Updaters as well. Now you can easily click on Search automatically for drivers and then wait until Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Click on the Close button and restart your computer in order to check if the problem is resolved. And after that, you can easily use the on-screen keyboard as well. If you are unable to fix the issue with this method, you can easily click on the Windows search icon and then search for on-screen keyboard, and from the best matches click on Open at right corner. You can enable it for temporary uses. Now finally you can easily update your device. For that, click on search icon at bottom left and go to the settings by searching settings. Now click on Windows Update. If there is any update available, click on Check for updates and update it to the latest version. This will help you to fix keyboard keys not working on Windows. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.